Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Now I'm changing up my boards, and this time I'm just showing you how I clean it off. All it takes is some water and then a wipe or a wet rag, and just wipe it off. Easy peasy. So I'm cleaning all this up. Once you get it all cleaned, and if you have any ghosting left, you can use our board eraser, which really works well on that. Then I'm going to my transfer, and this is the Harvest transfer, and I'm marking the backs because these are reusable, so you got to put them on the correct side. Sticky side of the transfer to the glossy side of the backing. Here I'm just trying to get my placement and how I want to put it on there. This is a big transfer, and it's a new transfer, so it's sticky. So this is the best way to do it. I am fuzzing it, which just means I am trying to get some of the stickiness off. You can use a towel like you saw I did, or you could use a t-shirt, whatever you have, a towel, anything there. Now after I get the bubbles out, I'm going to do this all in white, and this is a big area, only one color, so I'm using the big squeegee. And this really makes it go fast, quick and easy. So you get all that on, you still do the same thing. You cover all the spaces, all the netting, take off the excess, put it back in your jar for another time, and take it off. And oh no, I got some chalk on the side. No worries though, because it comes right off with water. Now I'm fuzzing the other transfers, the tools that I'm going to put on the side, and fuzz them really well again, and smooth it out, get any bubbles out of there. This time I am using the gold shimmer paint. Oh, I'm sorry, paste. Just because this goes good in my family room. So that's what's fun about this. You can do any color you want. And there it is, all hung up in my family room. I love it. I love the idea that you can just change up all the boards and make it any way you want, for the seasons, for the holiday, or just on a whim because you want something different. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.